Here's how to start a t-shirt business by simply downloading an app. Let's go. Head over to the App Store and search for the Stopover app. Once you're within the app, create a free account and hit the little plus icon in the middle to start designing your first design. To design your t-shirt, you have a few options. You can choose from text, upload your own image, or choose art that these guys provide within the app. Here I've uploaded a design that I created earlier on Canva. Now I can resize it, place it however I want, adjust the sizing and simply hit save. Now all that's left to do is give your t-shirt a title, a description, some tags and set the sale price. You can move this slider around to adjust your profit per sale and your profit margin and then simply hit save changes. And that's it, your t-shirt is ready to be sold. People can come to this link, choose the color that they want, choose the size that they want and simply hit the add to bag button to complete their order. You can even sell the same design printed on hoodies, sweatshirts, crop tops and a lot of other items. And the best part is these guys give you your own web store within the app that you can simply just share the link to with your friends and family. You don't have to worry about building a website, payment processes, packaging, delivery, shipping, none of it. These guys will take care of it all.